Look at all this, guys. This is rain here in Mombasa. This is how it is. So El Nino is not over yet. So don't be comfortable thinking that the rain are over. The rains are not over. Look at this, guys. This is a crab. This is a crab, guys. That's a crab. Crabs are always found in ocean, but this crab is found here. What is this crab doing here? This is not an ocean. This is a pool of water. So guys, it is 6 a.m. in the morning, and guys, look at this rain, guys. It has been raining now for the past 5 minutes, and look at this water, guys. Look at my gumboots. Guys, Mombasa rain is not over. We are experiencing rain right now. It is not over, guys. It is still raining here in Mombasa. Guys, it is still raining, guys. So much rain, guys. Hope you are well, guys, and I've decided to walk you around my hood and show you guys how it is. And the rain is raining with so much wind. So much rain, guys. Look at this. Look at all this, guys. This is rain here in Mombasa. This is how it is. So El Nino is not over yet. So don't be comfortable thinking that the rain are over. The rains are not over. In the next 5 minutes, this is what has happened, guys. 5 minutes and all this rain, all this water. I can't imagine, guys, it is raining like this. Wow. Jambo. Dakika 5 imenyesha na imagine haya. Dakika 5 tu. Kutapitika sasa hivi. Bala. Jambo baba. Dakika 5 kumenyesha na maji ni hivi. Sasa ingekuwa ni sali moja ama siku nzima. Wow. Guys, this is so much. I can't imagine, guys, it is raining like this. Yeah. This is... Wow. Look at that water, guys. So, you see all this drainage. So people have made efforts to unblock drainage here in this area of Mombasa, so that there will not be another floods here in Mombasa. So as I told you guys, people are, look at this. All of this is rainwater. This is rainwater, guys. It is raining like this. So guys, I've decided to unblock the blockages that were blocking the drainage system here in Mombasa, so that there will not be a disastrous of floods again here in our county of Mombasa. So people have made so much effort to unblock all of this drainage system. You can see this drainage system here in this area. Here is Bamburi. So yeah, and they have done a very good job. So yes, this is amazing. Look at this water, guys. It is raining here like, dang, this is much. So much rain, guys. Wow. think this guy will, the house will be flooded because water are entering this place here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Where has this rain come from? Guys, where has this rain come from, guys? It was just cool several minutes ago. And right now, you can't even walk very properly if you don't have an umbrella and some gumboots. You can't walk here. You can't. If you don't have umbrella and gumboots, you can't walk. Baby bro, mwavuli hakuna bwana, imekuzibia. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Early in the morning, it is 6 a.m. in the morning, and guys, I've decided to take you out of my neighborhood to show you guys how my neighborhood is right now with this rain. I need to walk very properly here. All of this is water. This is a pool of water, guys. A pool of water. Guys, El Nino is not over yet. El Nino is not over yet. So for those people who are afraid of floods and they haven't unblocked the blockages, Jambo. They haven't unblocked the blockages. Make sure, guys, you unblock your blockages, because look at this, guys. This is a crab. This is a crab, guys. That's a crab. Crabs are always found in ocean, but this crab is found here. What is this crab doing here? This is not an ocean. This is a pool of water here in the neighborhoods, and there's a crab here. Wow, what is this? Look at that. Oh my God. Crabs are always found in the ocean and the seas, and I can see there's a crab here. That's a crab, guys. This is a crab. Look at that. That's a crab. That's a crab, guys. What is this? Wow. Very, very surprising, guys. The ocean has come to our neighborhoods. You can see crabs. Next time we'll see fish in these ponds of water. Next time you'll see fish on these ponds of water. I'm walking on this side of this road because the other side is flooded with water, so I cannot walk on the other side. I've used this road here to move to the other side, to cross to this side here. So from here it is just curb road. From here, curb road. So you can walk very nicely here. But again, still so much water, guys. Wow. Wow, guys. Rains in Mombasa are so much unpredictable. One time you will see rain, the other time you will be surprised. Raining so much. So here rains are very, very much unpredictable. It's a matter of just going with the flow of Mother Nature. Because anytime it can rain in Mombasa, and now that we were told that the rains will not stop until January, because all of December will be rain. Guys, we expect anything from Mother Nature. Look at this water. Stepping on water. It has been raining in less than an hour. Yeah, it has been raining in less than an hour, and this is what you get. In less than 1 hour, a pool of water like this. A pool of water like this in less than 1 hour. Like this. A pool of water like this in less than 1 hour. So what if it rains the whole day? If a pool of water like this can be found in less than 1 hour, what if it rains in 1 day? So they have, these are the drainage system, guys. So these are the drainage system. Look at this, guys. Let me remove this. Let me remove this, because these are the things that blocks the water. See, these are the things that blocks the water. See that? So this is a drainage system that they unblock this estate here, this area, and this estate uses this drainage system here to trap all this water in this road, not to go inside these gates. So they trap it in this drainage system here, so that there should not be any kind of floods happening in this area. So, and the drainage system is working very, very nicely. So yeah, this is nice, this is good. So people in this area, they have decided to do a very good job on unblocking this drainage system, because all of this water, this is too much water. So when it rains in maybe 1 day or some hours, these houses here will be in a very bad condition. So I think they are using that drainage system to trap all this water not to enter their houses. So that's a good job. Big up, guys. They have done a very amazing work. So yes, rain, rain again, rain in Mombasa, guys. Wow, this is my neighborhood. So yeah, not that bad. Look at all that water coming from the other side, going to the one drainage system on the other side. So yes, this is good. And I think the rains are the rains are reducing, and yeah, I think there should not be any kind of disasters today when it rains like this the whole day. I pray that nothing will be happening in our county, because guys, we don't like this kind of flooded situation in our areas and in Mombasa. So yeah, so guys, yes, this is our neighborhood during rain time. Yeah, that's our neighborhood during rain time. This is how it is here in Bamburi area, Masters area here in Bamburi. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. See you in the next episode, guys. Bye bye.